right, I'm changing out my window. Look at that. I broke the window the other day. The window slid down, and I tried to pick it up with a pair of needle nose pliers. Ended up breaking it, so I'm replacing the window and the window regulator. Alright, so you gotta pull this off. But first you gotta take out the speaker. 1, 2, 3. This is what you need right here. I know y'all want to see this, so I'm gonna skip it. So all right, next, I already took out the speaker. You gotta unloosen these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, and that's the window regulator. And I think that's a 10 socket, and I will be back after I take it off. Found it. Took me what, 5 minutes?
All right, so on this one. So you gotta make sure you get all the way to the bottom.
All right, I got the old one out. Here's the old one. Glass on it. There's the glass right there. Here's the new one. Put that in. Yeah, I can't wait. Been without a window going up and down for at least a year. But not anymore. All right, it's time to put the window regulator in. First thing first, put the motor in first.
Yeah, basically I can with one hand. Alright. Put this in first. And I'm doing it with the boat still in.
All right, I got one side in at the top, so start with the bottom right there. Still got glass here, and get that out. Boom, boom. Now I gotta get the motor right. All right, I got it. Got that. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. So I gotta snap that back.